Jeff, we look at our very high Maumee River as well at minor flood stage across many of our communities, but it is trending downward now that we cross the threshold into the midnight hour. We're at 28 degrees, west-northwest winds 14 miles per hour. Brisk, chilly feel as we dip back into the 20s across southern Michigan, upper 20s to lower 30s, and it will be below freezing all night tonight. Let's preview what we're going to be feeling like over the next 24 hours. As we go into Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to be dropping back into the teens and 20s for that feels like it is going to be a very cold setting that is going to be unfolding. So what's going to be the weather impact? Brisk, very chilly conditions as we go into Tuesday morning. Morning frost is going to put that feels like back around 10 to 15 degrees as you get up and out the door. Now, one thing I'm going to be watching very close is the amount of cold weather that we're going to have. We're going to have sub-freezing temperatures across much of the region as we go through Tuesday and into Wednesday. So count on that deep freeze really to stick around for the next couple of days. So one of the big headlines, hard freeze is going to be out there Tuesday morning. We are going to drop back into the 20s and wind chill values as cold as 10 to 15 degrees above zero. Wednesday, rain snow mix late. This could bring some minor accumulations. And then Thursday, we're finally going to warm things up, and it is going to last into the upcoming weekend. A trend that's going to finally bring some warmer weather across the nation's midsection in our direction. But it will be by the end of the weekend that we really start to tap into that overall warmer feeling conditions. Let's look at our hour-by-hour forecast as we go through Tuesday. We'll have partly sunny to mostly sunny skies, dry conditions Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening, but it will be a deceptively cold feeling day. We'll have dry weather through Tuesday night, continuing into Wednesday morning. Let's look at Wednesday morning. We'll start out again in the 20s. And there will be a chance we get a rain-snow mix into the area Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. This is going to be sort of a cold, wet, damp, dreary evening. And it could get close enough toward dark on Wednesday to Thursday that some minor accumulations may try to amount as we get into Wednesday night. Let's look at where we could see a minor snow accumulation, mainly west and north of Toledo. Outside of that, it would be mainly elevated surfaces, grassy areas, the rooftops that could catch a little dusting or coating of snow. Tonight, decreasing clouds, going to be brisk and cold down to 24 degrees for the overnight low. And our extended forecast as we go to Tuesday, 42 degrees, mid-40s on Wednesday. That rain-snow mix is going to be a cold feeling day. Upper 40s on Thursday. Some additional rain showers, some wet snowflakes, and then the warming trend. It's going to take place slowly at first, back toward 50 on Friday, low 50s into Saturday, right around 60 by Sunday. At this point, the weekend is looking quite bright and brilliant with warmer weather by the end of the weekend and more consistent warmth next week with highs in the 60s the majority of the week ahead.